Hi guys, welcome back to an adventure caravan style, and as you could see, we are camping again. So guys, just turn around and look at it.
What the boys found in their tent.
Shoot, this is our egg, mommy.
And it is such a lovely view, as you can see. We are camping on the beach this weekend. Let me just turn around and show you guys our tent where we will be cooking under, and our tent where we'll be sleeping in. So this is our tent where we will be cooking, and this tent here, the boys will be sleeping in, and this is the mommy and daddy tent here, and here we have Darius going to show me some extreme surfboarding here. Let me see. Look at this lovely place, guys. There goes Alakai. Woo! This is our weekend. Ooh, watch Darius there again, beat up by the wave there. So guys, there's an update. It's rain, but it's full. So I don't know if you guys can see it out there, but check it out. It's nice.
Fire going out. It's raining. All the kids were sleeping in the hammock, and they aborted and ran to the tents. Now they're all over there in the tents.
I am cold.
Except for one.
Oh.
Except for one, Ari. She's decided to stay with her parents.
But we are still enjoying something. Don't get discouraged. Just
really?
Enjoy it.
Alright, well, whatever you say, mommy.
So guys, this is where it's our view this morning. So awesome. Right there's the beach. We stayed here. The rain fell. Look at the sand we got in here. Look at the water we had in our tent last night. This is our hotel.
And somebody didn't have a good sleep last night.
She was hot.
Princess Warrior was too hot. She's now grouchy. She's the Princess Grouch. You're making your father the pancake, right? So make the first one. So you're gonna make a big one for your father, right?
That's our Trinidad.
A big one, like 2 more of those.
So guys, we have to use a cut water bottle here to get the... Oh!
We're going to cup.
Oh my god, I can burn in the cup too. Darius gets a little burn and he just decided to
give up.
And that's it. The pancakes on the fire at the beach. So we have here some potatoes and steak. This is for breakfast also. What these lovely pieces of steak here.
What is Daddy?
Well, I'm about to taste it. Finally, I feel like a king. Breakfast almost in bed. Steak, grilled potatoes last night made into hash browns, and a big old pancake.
Good.
Made by Big D. See how Big D's cooking is. This is the same pancake that burnt you? Don't worry, I'll get him back. I'll bite his head off.
How is it?
Real nice. That's a 10 out of 10 breakfast right there, buddy.
Okay, good.
Morning, fellas.
Morning.
How's the pancake?
Good.
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 It almost makes it worth being here, eh?
No.
What do you think, buddy? How's your pancake you made? Oh, you make it into a pancake biscuit there? Well, Princess Warrior, how's your pancake? You had the biggest pancake going. Look at the size of that monster. You're real lucky, aren't you? Let's go, He-Man. Check out the pork done, the beans. I have one small fear about this meal. Bust some real bad ones tonight in the tent. Sorry, Mommy.
I'll take it now.
No problem. Any kind of work you had to do with the tent, though, you had to do it, though.
I thought they will do it. All right. Kids, maybe myself and David.
Not David.
Who could hang longest on this piece of wood here. So let's see if the body of old people could actually hang as long or as longer than their kids. And they will not choke.
Not gonna happen.
There is You struggling? You look like you're struggling. Look, fellas, the struggle is real. The struggle is real. Darius making this look easy.
Not easy.
Struggling?
I can't do it.
What do you got to say to your fans? You
How
can't
much
do
minutes?
it? 1.5 minutes so far.
I
So you got
can't.
along. That's it? She bust.
Oh God, what's your type now, Princess Warrior?
You struggling? You gonna hang in there for longer than Darius, you think? Struggling? You look like you're struggling. The more you move, the more I know you're struggling. Oh, we got the admission. He said he's struggling. Boy's here to check him out. He realizes he lost.
I slipped in.
I've done. So guys, I'm gonna see if I could beat Princess Warrior. I'm the only person I'm trying to beat here.
Go! Okay, start. Start.
The struggle's real, isn't it, Mommy? The struggle's real.
Have a good time.
Did I beat Ariana yet?
Ariana, don't tell her.
This is hard.
Go on, Mommy.
Two.
You struggling already? You're not even at Mommy's time and you're struggling. Struggle's real, isn't it?
No.
You're touching. You're lost. Oh, he lost. So Dylan just fell and
I came second. Then you can never beat me.
Alakai's the champion.
Shoot. That's our egg, mommy.
Man, is it ever good? Huh? You guys should like this. It's got a sour, like a sour candy taste.
Thank you. This is good.
Where do you get this from? Where does it come from?
There's a tree right up on your feet. So it's a pricey fruit. It's a pricey fruit that only hunters get. We won't get to buy.
And what does it taste like, Gary? What did you say it tastes
kiwi.
like? Tastes like a kiwi, doesn't it?
It's like a kiwi
Yeah.
mixed with a pineapple.
Yeah.
Kiwi mixed with pineapple.
Tastes real nice.
Yeah. Some people just call it penguin.
It has a sour.
Yeah.
What do they call it?
Some people just call it, local Trinidad name is penguin.
Penguin. Okay. I find it has a sour taste to it. It tastes real nice. Alaka, you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, good, eh? Dylan, you like it? Even Dylan likes it. Wow.
This is good.
Let me take a look at it, Barry. Alright, cool, thanks. Got the Miero girl here trying to teach us foreigners how to cut a coconut. Let's see how she does. 2 hours later. Yeah, I'm hearing progress.
And she heals Annie.
Whoa, real serious. Oh! There it is. Open it up.
You have to move. Hey, move.
Oh, looks good.
Coconut
Say,
good.
Harry, go rinse that out. I will.
It's good use for coconut bake.
Real good.
Okay, let's have more there too.
And this is how it's done, son. This is how it's done.
Mommy, get mine?
Here.
All right, Princess Warrior, did you learn anything? Let's see if you can do it. Yeah, you're getting there.
Right, you see?
Don't do it all over the place. Make it straight.
Oh, I know, yeah.
Where?
You getting it, you see?
I'm getting you. Good job, Ari. It looks good too. That one's good too.
First time I cracked a coconut.
And it looks good, eh?
Yeah.
Our camping's coming to a close. How was your trip camping? Dylan, start with you. How did you like your camping trip?
It didn't need to be so long.
Alright, alright. Ari, how did you like it there,
It
Princess
was
Warrior?
alright. I just didn't like when it rained.
Yeah, I agree with that. Big D, what you think?
It was okay. It didn't have to be so long and it didn't have to rain too much.
Malachi, what you think?
It was joyful. It was joyful.
Is that alright?
Yeah, but taking a shower was a hassle and the rain any night.
Well, Mommy, what did you think?
It wasn't too bad. It was actually fun, and it was extreme camping.
Yeah.
So
Extreme.
extreme camping. So we go back home tomorrow. This is our last night here. So guys, we hope you all had fun with us. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys leave a comment, share, like the video. Who haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because this is what you guys get here. It's not always perfect when you have a plan, because sometimes you have a plan and by the time you get here your plan changes because things happen, kids not cooperating, kids complaining. But other than that, at the end of it, the kids always have fun. No matter how much they complain, they always have fun.
Yeah, for kids who thought it was too long, there was an awful lot of laughing and giggling and having fun.
Climbing tree and jumping and building
Swimming
in the ocean
and-
and stuff like
yeah.
that. So yeah. So hi guys, we have come to an end of our extreme camping with the family here. I hope you guys could see that we love it the way we got it, and I hope you guys enjoy this ride with us, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye.